You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, quite confusing indeed, and there are two slightly different pronunciations, basically mainly UK or US. Always pronounce those words ending with "ary" a bit differently. So let's start with the UK British English pronunciation, let's say standard English pronunciation. Pupillary. Pup as in pupil, re. Sometimes the sound is almost kept as in pupillary, okay? But that's British English pronunciation. In American English, however, it's generally pronounced as pupillary. Pupillary, American English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.